If you love riding, you know it's all about the gear that makes your journey safer, smarter, and more fun. In this video, we're exploring 20 motorcycle gadgets that are truly on another level. From high-tech helmet HUDs and wireless chargers to heated gloves and advanced GPS systems. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, these gadgets aren't just cool. They're game changers that can take your riding experience to the next level. Get ready to upgrade your ride like never before. Sena 50S. The Sena 50S is a top-tier motorcycle communication headset that brings convenience and clarity to every ride. Featuring premium speakers and a microphone with sound by Harman Kardon, it delivers crystal-clear audio for music, calls, and navigation. The one-click-to-connect mesh intercom ensures seamless group communication with robust reliability, while Bluetooth 5 support keeps your connection stable. Voice-activated digital assistant access allows hands-free control with Hey Google, enhancing safety. Fast charging is a standout feature. Just 20 minutes provides up to 2 hours of intercom use. At $270, the Sena 50S is a must-have for serious riders. Favoto Motorcycle Cover. The Favoto Motorcycle Cover is a practical and reliable accessory for any rider, offering excellent protection at an affordable price of $30. Designed with a universal fit, it accommodates most motorcycles, from cruisers and street bikes to scooters and adventure models. Made from durable 300D Oxford fabric, it is waterproof, tear-resistant, and features a silver inner coating for added sun protection. Lockable aluminum alloy holes, elastic bottom bands, and windproof buckles keep the cover secure in strong winds. Nighttime safety is enhanced with reflective stripes on the front and sides, making it easy to spot your bike in low-light conditions. E6 Plus Motorcycle Helmet HUD. The E6 Plus Motorcycle Helmet HUD is a groundbreaking gadget that transforms any helmet into a fully smart, all-in-one riding system for $500. Featuring an AR head-up display, it shows maps, calls, music, and speed directly in your line of sight, keeping your focus on the road. HUD navigation works seamlessly with Google Maps and Apple Music via CarPlay and Android Auto. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, it connects to 2 phones simultaneously and supports both Bluetooth and mesh intercoms for communication with riders or third-party devices. The integrated rear-view camera further enhances safety by monitoring traffic behind you. Wearable Airbag Vest. The Wearable Airbag Vest is an innovative motorcycle safety gadget priced at $115, designed to protect riders in critical moments. Made from breathable mesh and synthetic materials, it ensures comfort even in hot weather while effectively absorbing moisture. The vest deploys in just 0.1 seconds, extending protection across the body, and features reflective strips for enhanced nighttime visibility. Reusable after replacing the inflation bottle, it is practical for repeated use. Suitable for urban riding, long-distance trips, off-road adventures, or equestrian activities, the HQ01 airbag vest offers peace of mind, combining advanced safety with comfort and versatility for riders of all sizes. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam. The Vantrue F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam is a premium $400 gadget designed for riders who want top-notch safety and recording capabilities. Featuring dual 4K front and 1080p rear cameras with a 160-degree wide viewing angle, it captures every detail while reducing blind spots. Built to IP67 waterproof and dustproof standards, it performs reliably in rain, snow, or dust. GPS and mileage statistics provide detailed trip data, while the adjustable G-sensor locks important footage during collisions. Loop recording, OTA firmware updates, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it convenient and user-friendly. The Vantrue F1 ensures every ride is recorded clearly and securely. Beeline Moto 2. The Beeline Moto 2 is a $250 motorcycle GPS that elevates every ride with simplicity and precision. Its compact, distraction-free minimap keeps your focus on the road while providing essential information like speed, distance, and ETA at a glance. Ride planning is effortless, whether you want scenic curves or the fastest route. Built for durability, the IP67 waterproof and shockproof design ensures it performs in any weather or terrain. Sleek and versatile, it fits any bike's handlebars and features a USB-C rechargeable battery lasting up to 14 hours, making the Beeline Moto 2 a reliable companion for every journey. Nelson-Rigg Adventure Tailbag. The Nelson-Rigg Adventure Tailbag is a $111 motorcycle accessory built for durability and practicality. Constructed with industry-leading Ultramax fabric, it resists fading and withstands the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its generous size fits most adventure motorcycles, providing ample storage for gear on long rides. Heavy-duty webbing and buckles allow for secure and easy mounting on most racks or seats, while inner self-fastening straps keep your belongings organized and stable. The molar panel on the lid adds versatility, letting you attach additional items for quick access. Durable, spacious, and thoughtfully designed, this tailbag is ideal for adventure riders. CRAFTSMAN Vi20 Cordless Tire Inflator. The CRAFTSMAN Vi20 Cordless Tire Inflator is a versatile $50 motorcycle gadget that combines accuracy, portability, and power. Its digital display provides precise pressure readings with a minimal -2 psi delta, ensuring your tires are inflated correctly every time. Battery-powered and compatible with the CRAFTSMAN V20 system, it offers excellent portability for on-the-go use. The high-pressure pump delivers up to 150 psi, making it suitable for motorcycles, bicycles, and other inflatables. Designed with an optimized D-handle and rubber overmold, it provides a comfortable and balanced grip during use. Reliable, efficient, and easy to handle, it's a must-have tool for riders. Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount is a $29 gadget designed for secure and stable phone use on the road. Its patented vibration dampener and 4 damping springs effectively reduce engine vibrations, protecting your phone and camera from damage. Shock-absorbing silicone pads on the phone clamp and handlebar ensure your device stays secure even at high speeds. Made from high-quality alloy and composite plastic, the mount is durable and reliable. Compatible with most phones 4.7 to 6.7 inches, it supports one-hand installation and quick release. Sturdy, versatile, and user-friendly, the Lamicall mount keeps your phone safe and accessible while riding. RADIKAL RK14S. The RADIKAL RK14S is a $120 high-security motorcycle disc lock designed to protect your bike from theft. Constructed from specially hardened stainless steel with a 14mm locking pin, it's Class SRA, approved and tested against saws, hammers, levers, and other attacks. Its double locking mechanism, anti-drilling disc core, and anti-picking features enhance security, while unique coded keys allow easy duplicate requests. The optional high-end alarm system delivers 6 warning beeps, followed by a 120 decibel alarm if motion is detected. Compact and practical, it fits brake discs securely and can be conveniently transported using optional brackets, offering peace of mind for every rider. Future Eyes Motorcycle Driving Light. The Future Eyes Motorcycle Driving Light is a $270 high-performance gadget designed for maximum safety and visibility. Featuring high-transparency optical glass lenses with blue coating, it delivers ultra-bright output with 100-watt low beam and 180-watt combined beams, while precision cutoff lines reduce glare. Integrated quad beam and signal lights offer strobe, turn, and horn-linked warning modes. Military-grade heat dissipation, IP67 waterproofing, and CNC machined aluminum housing ensure reliable performance in extreme conditions. With versatile 360-degree adjustable mounting, quick installation, and safety-enhancing side fill technology, these lights improve night visibility, alert other drivers, and make every ride safer and more confident. OneTigris Motorcycle Helmet Holder. The OneTigris Motorcycle Helmet Holder is a $40 versatile and sturdy storage solution for riders and gear enthusiasts. Its heavy-duty design supports up to 88 pounds, with dedicated racks for helmets, vests, and belts, keeping your equipment secure and organized. Perfect for motorcycles, cycling, or even tactical gear. It accommodates helmets, gloves, and other accessories, making it a multifunctional solution. The integrated wall mount design saves floor space while keeping items easily accessible. Installation is straightforward with included instructions, allowing hassle-free setup. Durable, practical, and space-efficient, the OneTigris Helmet Holder is an essential accessory for anyone looking to store and display their gear safely. MaxxHaul Motorcycle Wheel Chock. The MaxxHaul Motorcycle Wheel Chock is a $76 essential gadget for safely securing motorcycles during storage or maintenance. Built from heavy-duty steel with a resilient black powder coat finish, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting durability. With an impressive 1,800 pound weight capacity, it accommodates a wide variety of motorcycles, supporting wheels 3 to 5 inches wide. Its innovative self-locking design uses the bike's weight to stay upright, simplifying loading and unloading while minimizing tipping risks. Integrated anchor points enhance stability, giving riders confidence during use. Reliable, versatile, and durable, the MaxxHaul Wheel Chock is a must-have for every motorcycle owner. iMESTOU Motorcycle Wireless Charger. The iMESTOU Motorcycle Wireless Charger is a $33 versatile gadget that combines convenience and safety for riders. With a 15-watt Qi wireless charger and QC 3.0 USB port, it fast charges most phones from 3.5 to 6.5 inches, even through cases, using an intelligent chip for rapid 0.1 seconds automatic detection. The mechanical locking system securely clamps the phone, preventing drops even on rough terrain, while the four-corner wrap ensures stability. One-handed operation allows quick placement or removal in seconds. Compatible with handlebar or rear-view mirror installation, 360-degree rotation, and a waterproof design make the iMESTOU charger reliable and practical for any ride. Reflective Motorcycle Backpack. The Reflective Motorcycle Backpack is a $90 must-have for safety-conscious riders. Designed with high-visibility reflective panels, it ensures maximum visibility day or night, keeping you safer on the road. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces strain during long rides or daily commutes, offering comfort without compromising mobility. The built-in external helmet holder allows hands-free transport of your helmet, while the spacious 35-litre interior accommodates laptops, tools, and essentials with organized compartments and side water pockets. Ventilated back padding, adjustable straps, and weather-resistant materials make it versatile for motorcycles, scooters, or cycling. Practical, durable, and commuter-ready. It's a reliable ride companion. BORLENI Heated Motorcycle Gloves. The BORLENI Heated Motorcycle Gloves, priced between $88 and $110, are designed to keep riders warm and comfortable in cold conditions. Using advanced carbon nanotube heating material, they heat up in just 3 seconds, covering the back of the hand and fingers with a 3M cotton layer and fleece lining for extra warmth. Waterproof construction keeps hands dry in rain or snow, while smart temperature control automatically adjusts heat based on ambient conditions, conserving power. Dual power supply options, including rechargeable batteries and car USB charging, ensure long-lasting warmth. The KAEDEAR Motorcycle USB Clamp is a $13 compact and efficient gadget for riders who need reliable on-the-go charging. Its ultra-thin design fits easily on most handlebars without taking up extra space. Equipped with dual fast charging ports, USB-A, 18 watts QC 3.0, and USB-C, 30 watts PD 3.0, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously. IP66 water and dust-resistant construction protects internal circuits, while multiple safety features prevent overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, and overheating. Quick installation fits handlebars 22 to 25.4 millimeters in diameter, and wide compatibility supports phones, GPS, cameras, and more. Sena Phantom ANC. The Sena Phantom ANC is a $500 premium smart motorcycle helmet designed for safety, comfort, and connectivity. Its composite fiberglass shell with EPS padding meets DOT and FMVSS 218 safety standards, providing excellent protection. Integrated speakers and microphone allow seamless Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls, navigation, or music. Rider-to-rider communication is effortless via Wave or Mesh intercom. The helmet features a retractable tinted interior visor, hands-free operation, and built-in front LED flashlight and tail lights with brake sensing technology for enhanced visibility.